First of all, let's see the common failure in valve and pipeline. The first failure is valve broken. This is occur when the over vibration in the pipeline and valve. Second is leaking joint. The flange gasket are prone to leakage when higher operating pressure. Then pipe wall rupture. When the pipe wall rupture is occur when higher pressure and this is very common failure in pipeline. Next is perforation. Perforation is a small hole, usually very less than 10 mm square. Then tapping band and clamps. The erosion from top tapping band subsequently to band casting failure. Then lastly is PE fitting. PE fitting is a leakage from the electrofusion fitting.
It has been alert. Fluctuation has been detected in valve location RPP A12B7. Let's analyze the reading from the waste liquid valve. As we can see here, at valve B9 and B8, the reading is quite stable, while at valve B7, the pressure reading is erratic. So we know one of the valve is problematic and we need to repair the failure.
Next, before we see into the visual, I would like to explain on the steps on how to remove broken valve in sequence. First, the valve RPP A12B9 is shut off. Second, turn valve BRP A12B8. Thirdly, remove the bolts from the valve RPP A12B7. And finally, remove out valve RPP A12B7. So here the visual on how the steps works. First, the valve is shut, the valve is turned into clockwise direction, bolts are removed and the valve is removed out.
Why do we remove the faulty valve? Firstly, there are two main reasons, either replacement or repairing reason. For the first reason, which is replacement, it is recommended to replace the part if the cost of repairing exceeds 60% of the cost to replace, or else comes the second option, where we remove the valve and put in use a temporary valve while repairing the faulty valve. This temporary valve will help lessen the downtime while the faulty valve is being inspected and repaired.
In summary, pipelines and valves are one of the most important structures. Function from the valves are stopping, starting, reduce, increase the flow, and controlling the direction of the flow. The common failure in pipe and valves such as leaking, valve broken, PE fitting, and perforation. We also can analyze the valves through the reading, whether it's stable or unstable. Last but not least, we also discover the process how to remove the broken valve through 4 steps. That's all from us. Thank you.